everyone, this is Al from Xiaomi's vlog channel. Today I have a very special product for you. The product is Smooth Q3 by Zhiyun. Zhiyun is one of the companies that makes leading gimbals and other camera products. I have used Smooth 4. Now I have decided that I wanted something compact. It comes with the gimbal, pouch, tripod. However, if you don't want the included package, you can get only the gimbal and the tripod. That is possible, which is least expensive, which is probably gonna pay like $100. This one cost me a little bit over $100. This one cost me about 430 dirhams, which is about 120 US dollar. Well, let's get right to it. So I got my knife and I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to cut open the seal. The packaging looks pretty good. Wow. And as you can see, and let's see what's inside the box. Looks like it has instruction manual, also instruction to down. Let's just put these aside. Now I want to tell you, this box looks very nice and it has fine material. I think they put a lot of thought into it. I believe it's probably some kind of water resistant material. Now let's see what's inside. Wow. As you can see, the gimbal is protected. This is the gimbal itself. It seems very small and portable, which I really liked. I mean, I actually saw this product before I went to, before I purchased it. I did a little trial and everything, and it looked really good. It does come with the USB-C charger. It has a joystick and mode, and then I believe this is probably the record button and zoom functions. And over here is the power, and I believe, I'm not sure which function that is. I just have to figure it out later on. So over here, it looks like it has the sliding mechanism. It's pretty nice. Let's put this aside. And over here, looks like this is the tripod itself, which is okay. And we do have Zhiyun Prime 1-year membership card. So let's see what might be in it. I think I'm probably gonna do another video later on to figure out what it might be. Pretty nice premium card, right? We'll put that back in later. Let's see, we have, this is, I believe, big instruction manual, as you can see, right? Let's put it back. It kind of reminds me of the Apple iPhone instruction manual. These keeps things dry. And this is, I believe our USB charger. Yeah, this is the USB charger, white color. I like. It's not bad. I wish it was USB C to C. That way it would get charged faster, but I think this is okay. And then at the end, let's see. Again, we have some more instruction manuals. Yeah. So, oh, what's this? Oh, this is. Let's see. They packaged it very nice. I liked it, but I thought it would be more fixed in the pouch itself. But I like the pouch. I like the color of it. I like the feel and texture, and it has very nice net where you can keep all your wires and everything. Or if you don't want to use it, you can give it to your wife. She can put all of her makeups and stuff if she wants to. So let's check out the gimbal. I think this is the star of the show. So basically, as you can see, the gimbal to lock and then unlock. So you have nice, smooth, and once it clicks, I am just going to tighten it out. Smooth 4 is actually pretty huge in hand, but it's pretty robust. The battery, I think maybe it's smaller battery compared to Zhiyun Smooth 4, but over and all, I think you know, since it's so compact, and all depends how much you want to use, but it's actually pretty good. Feels good. It has nice grips here. They also have a joystick here. What I'm gonna do later on, I'm gonna take some test footage. Once I take the test footage, I will also post it, and that way you can check out some of the videos. But I want to thank you, all of you, for joining me today with this unboxing experience. I certainly had a really good time, and again I want to thank Al Falak store for able to accommodate this, yes, so again, thank you, and take it easy. God bless, stay safe.